Our focal scripture pictured that time when Israel was delivered from captivity. It was unexpected to them. It was at the time they were not expecting deliverance. The psalmist said, "We were like them that dream," meaning that they had lost every hope of salvation. They had stopped praying for God's intervention in the situation. They had stopped hoping, waiting, and expecting salvation to come. They had adjusted to their situation when things suddenly changed and they were set free. It was to them like a dream. So they had stopped praying, they had stopped hoping, they had stopped waiting, they had stopped expecting. But suddenly, out of nowhere, their deliverance, their miracle, their expectation came through. Your miracle is coming out of nowhere. God is going to use people and things you never expected to work for you.